morning, my friends. It's Miss Melanie from Classroom A. I'm back to do our second video on different kinds of lines. Today, we are going to learn how to draw types of straight lines. Types of straight lines. Okay, what you're going to need for this activity is your dry erase board, a tissue to wipe it off, and a dry erase marker. Our first line that we're going to work on today is a diagonal line. A diagonal line. Okay, start with our diagonal line. We'll start at the bottom, and you're going to go up on a slant, just like that, a diagonal line. Let's try that again. Start at the bottom and go up on a slant, and that's how you would make a diagonal line. And we did diagonal lines when we made the letter X in the video that I made with our writing. Our next line that we are going to do is called a horizontal line. A horizontal line. And that just goes straight across. Start here on the left and go straight. That is called a horizontal line. There's another one. Yes, it is a straight line, and it's also a horizontal line. It's the direction it's going in, horizontal. Okay, let's erase that. And next, we're going to learn how to draw lines that are called parallel lines. And parallel lines are always the same distance apart. Parallel lines. Okay, let's make our parallel lines. We're going to start at the top, and they're going to go down on a slant, like a horizontal. Okay, and then we're going to do another one. And that's parallel. Let's do another one. Start at the top, and you're going to go down on a diagonal. We'll make another one. Parallel lines. All right, let's erase them. And now we're going to learn how to do a vertical line. It is a straight line, but the direction it's going in is vertical. And this is simple. Start at the top and go straight down. That is your vertical straight line. Start at the top and go straight down. Yes, it looks like you're about to begin to make the letter T. Very good. All right, that's your vertical line. All right, next we're going to do a line that's called perpendicular. Perpendicular. And you will learn more about this when you get into older grades. But a perpendicular line intersects at a right angle, and that's what these are. These are called angles here. This little area here is an angle. All right, let's try this one. It's called perpendicular. All right. So we're going to start at the top and come down, just like we did with our vertical. And then we're going to go across at the bottom, just like we did with our horizontal. It kind of looks like an upside down T. Very good. Yes, it does. So let's try that again. We're going to start at the top, come down, and then we're going to go across at the bottom. And that's how you make a perpendicular line. All right. Next is our last one, and we have something that's called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. And we talked about this. This is when two or more lines cross each other. And it does look like the letter X. And we talked about this when we did our sign study, when we were talking about crosswalks and intersections. All right, and this is where they intersect, right here. It's where they come together and they meet, cross over. All lines have common points of intersections. All right, let's see if we could do that. Okay, we're going to come down on a diagonal. And then we're going to come across again. And here's our intersecting point. Very good. So if you just want to practice, you could do your letter X to make your intersecting. Because this is also an intersecting line. Well, there you go, friends. Now you've learned to make different types of straight lines. And let's go over the ones that we did. We worked on intersecting. It's when they come together and they meet. We talked about perpendicular lines, which they meet at their intersection at a right angle. We did a vertical line that goes straight up and down. We learned how to do parallel lines, and they're always the same distance apart, distance between them. We've learned how to do a horizontal line, and that's just going straight across. And then we learned the diagonal line. The diagonal line. All right, my friends, I want you guys to have fun with your dry erase boards. Practice making the types of lines on the first video and also with this video. Take some pictures. Next week or two, we're going to be doing drawing pictures with the different types of lines. So this way you have plenty of time to practice, so you'll be ready to create your artwork for next week. Have a great day. Bye, my friends.